Welcome back. This is Ballroom Feed. Today we're going to do some more merengue for you, and today we're going to rotate your basic to the right and to the left. Let's get into it.
All right, the man's footwork for rotating from merengue basic, right or left. So if I go to my right first, here I'll face this way, I'm going to take side steps rotating around to my right. I'm going to go left side, right foot closes, left side, right foot closes, left side, right foot closes. It doesn't matter how many it takes to get back around in the circle. It can take a lot. I can make it very, very gradual, or I can go and rotate pretty aggressively and get all the way around. So with counts, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if I want to rotate to the left, it's easiest if I want to lead her. I'm going to start walking backwards and I curve myself to the left to get her to come towards me and rotate around. If I try to do kind of side steps rotating around to the left, possible, but I want her to get her coming towards me, which is a little bit more comfortable. So if I'm rotating to the left, I go back on my left foot, back on my right foot, back on my left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. If I do this with counts and I go to the left, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then back to the beginning again.
Okay, so now time to rotate our basic to the right and to the left. So basically there's a few different options for your footwork. I'm going to show you what I like the best. And if you've learned it a different way, doesn't mean it's wrong. This is just comfortable for me, okay? Okay, so we're going to start rotating to the right first. In that case, he's going to take a side step on the first step. I'm going to take a slightly forward step and across myself, and then we're going to continue rotating, so it's going to be slightly to the side or in place, forward and place, forward and place, forward and place. So the amount of rotation is up to him. For the most basic version, I'm just going to do it in 8 counts, so it's a little more gradual. Basically, the steps aren't as exact as, say, your salsa or bachata, but we do want to try to keep them small, so we're rotating more on the spot instead of taking a huge, big circle, okay? So it's just rotating your basic on the spot. Again, I'm going to go cross in place or slightly to the side, cross in place, cross in place, cross in place. With counts, it'll be something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In an 8 count example. So if he were rotating us in the other direction, our first step is going to be rotating with a slightly side step. Then we're going to cross the left foot in front, side, left foot in front and slightly across, side, cross, side, cross. So basically one starts with a side step and the other one starts with a cross depending on which direction. So again, this time we're going to take the right foot slightly to the side, cross, side, cross, side, cross, side, cross. With the counts we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As we get into these merengue basics that rotate, if I want to go rotate to the right, which is both of our rights, I start to take this side step curving around and she adjusts underneath me. I then close my feet as we continue rotating, side, close, and you can see that her footwork now is she went slightly forward across in front of herself, a side step or slightly in place, depends on how much I'm rotating. If I rotate a lot, she's gonna be forced to take bigger steps as she moves around. If I rotate a little bit, her steps are much more in place and there's not much more work to do. It's the same thing as changing the basics from the very beginning. I'm rotating my frame, my shoulders, my eyes to go in the direction that I want to go in. When my body turns, it tells her right away. If my feet just start going on their own, she has to catch up and run around. If I want to go rotate to my left, I'm going to start to move myself back in a way is the easiest way to lead this pattern. Could I take side steps?
Yes.
And rotate it around? Yes, I can.
Doesn't feel as good.
But possible.
Yeah.
So If you're a rebel, go for it. But the easiest way for us, I start to walk backwards and I curve my frame around now to the left. It's like I'm getting her to walk kind of forward into me. She still does a side cross each time instead of walking steps forward at me, which helps her rotate, and then I'm back to the beginning again.
So basically the most important for these things is our frame. So again, please check out our dance position in the salsa video for points of connection, things like that. Biggest thing for these rotary patterns, especially when it's on the spot, is we want to think about keeping absolutely our belly buttons towards each other, which means like we don't want to end up like this. Or like this, okay? So if we were to, it's really uncomfortable and it's difficult to follow. So say we did it poorly, like this, Now everything's kind of awkward. I'm just kind of walking forward in place. Again, it's not like the worst thing ever. However, it's not easy to follow or lead, and that's when our feet get tangled up. So definitely you wanna think about the points of connection and keeping this beautiful space. So I always say like a beach ball. Of course, you could be a little more close and have like, that like romantic whatever connection.
Whatever, romantic whatever.
You know what I mean.
Lame.
So basically, you just want to keep your focus with your partner. Again, he was spotting with his head just because he wanted to do more intense rotations. But in general, just think keeping your belly button towards your partner, and that's gonna help you out. Thank you so much for watching our merengue series. We'll be sure to have more videos for you. If you like this kind of video and you're into it, be sure to check out our Ballroom Feed Pro section on our website. It's in the link below. That's got more content for you, more pattern styling techniques. The sky is the limit, so go check out that if you're really feeling it. And I'll see you very soon. Bye.